Mesa Verde suffered fires in 1996 and 2003. An archaeologist had surveyed approximately 90% of the park. Dense undergrowth and tree cover kept many ancient sites hidden from view. But after those fires, 593 previously undiscovered sites were revealed. Most of the ruins require a pass to visit, only because they need to keep the numbers down so that these ancient buildings do not collapse under the treading of people. The only one that is available for you to see without a pass is Spruce Tree House. It's a very good ruin, and you won't be sorry if that is the only one you get to see on your trip to Mesa Verde. Yucca House is still a ruins, but you can make out small parts of a wall here and there and see piles of stones. But the vegetation covers the majority of the ruins, and it is difficult to understand what you are seeing. However, because of keeping it buried, only about 1,000 people come to the site annually.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.